I want to talk to you about American Express Serve, and this is actually a prepaid debit card. And so here are the facts I want you to think of. When you think about American Express Serve, I want you to really remember that American Express offers three different types of Serve cards. So when you hear the term Serve card here and there, it's actually three types of Serve cards. You have the American Express Serve Pay As You Go. That's the first step. I want you to see that on the screen right now. The American Express Serve Pay As You Go. You also have the American Express Serve Free Reloads. That's the second type of Serve card that you have. And then you have also the American Express Serve Cashback. So I just wanted to show you this right off the bat on the screen, so you have a clear idea what kind of categorization we're talking about when we talk about American Express Serve. Okay, so all three cards can take the place of a traditional bank account. That's a good thing because it really gives you alternate options for handling your money. So if you have a problem with check systems or early warning systems or even telecheck, you really will want to go the prepaid route, prepaid card route. So one thing I really want you to focus on is that it's all about flexibility. Okay, it's all about having that kind of flexibility. So you know that, okay, if no bank wants to open an account for you, or credit union for that matter, you always can fall back on the American Express Serve card. So when you think about it, the American Express Serve card is actually, in all three iterations, is really great for people who want a traditional banking alternative that allows mobile deposits, direct deposits, and ATM access. For people who want to set aside savings and reserve funds, let's say you want to really constitute a little bit of, rainy day fund, who knows. This card is also great for families who want to help kids learn how to save money, how to budget with sub-accounts linked to the primary card. So you can have a sub-accounts linked to the main card. And also this card is great for people who want to avoid paying a monthly fee. You know how sometimes banks can be really crazy when it comes to charging you for charging you fees. Okay, and so to actually apply for the American Express Serve, you want to visit the American Express National Bank website. You want to fill in the application form, and you want to check all the information is accurate and just submit your application. This is pretty straightforward. Let me give you the basics here. When you think about the American Express Serve card, I want you to really understand that this is a card that's really great. It is a reloadable prepaid debit card that functions similarly to a basic debit card tied to a checking account at a traditional bank. So a prepaid debit card is really an account that allows you to spend only the amount of money that you have loaded into the account in advance. You have to always load some cash onto the account in advance. So once you have used all of your stored money, the debit card will not work for payments until you have reloaded the account. It's really like, think about it as a pay-as-you-go. It's really all about it. This is really a manifestation of the pay-as-you-go concept. Okay, so when you think about it, if you really understand that concept, then you really understand everything about the Serve card. So the Serve card is an American Express branded card, and as such is accepted anywhere American Express is accepted. And so what happens here is that in daily usage, you should not notice a difference, like a major difference between a prepaid debit card and a traditional debit card. Really, there are none. Okay, except a few instances, but there are overall there are none. And your American Express Serve account comes with online access available either via the web or through an app on your phone. The cool thing is you are able to review your balance on the app before you go to a store or before you use the card anyway, so that you know whether or not you have cash on the card or not. Okay, and although you will not have traditional brick and mortar branch locations with this account, everything you need to do to manage your account can be done online or via the app. So this is one of those things where you want to take advantage of the wonderful mobile app that American Express has actually built, and that can really help you track the balance you have on your card. So to make the account consumer friendly, there is no credit check when opening an account. There is no minimum balance that you must keep in your account, and there are no hidden fees. So this is really great from a flexibility point of view. You will love it. And on top of that, you can track your balance on a day-to-day basis. As I said to you a little earlier, you can use the mobile app, or you can just go online to track your balance. So you're never surprised as to how much you have exactly. Let me talk to you about the features you can expect to have with the American Express Serve card. Okay, so you have first of all, it is free to register online, so you can register for a new card online with no credit check, and American Express will send you your new card in the mail. So I mean, they probably do it like within 3 to 7 business days. But if you are in a rural area, you expect to have your AmEx Serve card within 14 days. There is no cost to register for a new account online, so that's kind of cool. So besides the free to register online, you also have a free early direct deposit. So you get access to your money up to 2 full days before your payday with your American Express Serve account. So for this to work, your employer must submit payment information to the bank prior to your payday. Okay, American Express just wants to make sure that they get your cash before that they actually release it to you. And you also have free ATM withdrawals. So the cool thing is you have 30,000 MoneyPass ATMs. So you can withdraw cash at over 30,000 MoneyPass ATMs nationwide without paying any additional fees from American Express. Just make sure that you actually withdraw the cash within the MoneyPass ATM network. You also have free online bill pay. So with the American Express Serve card, you can pay your bills directly from your Serve account, either online or via the American Express Serve app. And I really want to encourage you to use the app big time, because this is a really wonderful app, pretty well reviewed. Okay, and online bill pay won't cost you anything to set up or to use. You have a lot of possibilities there. And you also have the free reserve partition, so you can set up a reserve portion actually in your Serve account to help you budget and save you money. I mean, if you want to save your money, you want to really, as I said a little earlier, you want to create a rainy day fund. You want to really save, put some cash on the side. That's kind of cool. It's free to add money or take money out of your reserve, and that's really good also. And you also have access to American Express customer service. Okay, so as an American Express product, your Serve account gives you access to the consistently reliable American Express customer service team with a live person available 24/7 to take your call. This is kind of cool. Really, really good. Now, let's talk about the fees here. I've said to you a little earlier that a lot of stuff is free through the American Express Serve card, but how do they have to make money, right? They have to actually sustain this operation. So AmEx actually is charging you for a few things. So there are a variety of fees associated with the American Express Serve card, depending on how you use the account. The good news is that these fees tend to generally be lower than competitive products, and if you understand them and pay attention, you can really avoid paying fees completely. Okay, I want to really walk you through some of the fees that you have to pay attention to. First of all, you have the monthly fee for the card for the card. So it's either $6.95 or zero when you direct deposit at least $500. This is kind of similar to what the Walmart Money Card also has in terms of direct deposit. So if you deposit directly, if you have $500 every month, then the fee is waived. Otherwise, it's $6.95. And for cash reloads, cash reloads will set you back $395. The fee will vary by retailer, but in-network locations will charge nothing. Direct deposit will cost you nothing. You can add money from a bank account for nothing, no charge at all. ATM withdrawals, as I said earlier, $0 if you are within the MoneyPass ATM network. If you're outside, then you have to really pay $2.50. So every time you have this $2.50, just remember though that ATM operator fees may apply. So this is not something that goes into American Express's pocket. It goes to somebody else's pocket. And you also have the ATM transaction decline. If you have a decline, this will set you back 75 cents per ATM decline. There's nothing to pay for it. Online bill pay. To send and receive money, nothing to pay. Set aside money in reserve, nothing to pay. Sub accounts, nothing to pay. For card replacement, you have to pay $5 per card. 24/7 customer service, nothing to pay. Purchase protection on eligible purchases, nothing to pay. Now, on foreign transaction, if you actually go overseas and you use the card overseas, basically you have to account for 2.7% after conversion to US dollars. So this is something that you have to think about. And mobile check capture by Ingo Money, nothing to pay. But there is a $5 minimum fee that applies if you are in certain situations. You also have serve money transfer powered by RIA. You can serve up to you can send up to $2,500 for $16.99 per transaction, $16.99 per transaction. But you can send up to $2,500. So let me talk to you about on the go here. On the go, so you are able to access on the go with the American Express Serve app. And as I said earlier, this is a wonderful app, an app that's well reviewed. Okay, you will have a lot of functionalities in the app. That's really good. So available on both Apple and Android devices, the American Express Serve app makes it a piece of cake to check on your account while on the go. And you want to really check on your account while on the go, because the last thing you want is to actually go to a store, for instance. You realize that there's not enough money on the card, so you can quickly view your available balance, your transaction history, and detailed information about each of your transactions. In addition, the Serve app has a variety of features that allow you to fully manage your account right from your phone. So here are a few of the things that you can do with the Serve app. Okay, so you can manage your money. That's really fantastic. So you can locate nearby MoneyPass ATMs, because the whole thing is you do not want to withdraw money from a non MoneyPass ATM, an ATM that's not in the MoneyPass network. So you can locate nearby MoneyPass ATMs. You can move money to your reserve partition. You can send money to sub accounts and see the transaction history for each one. You can access your direct deposit information, and you can pay your bills. That's really good. So for managing your money, you will be really, really pleased with the app. That really straightforward, really interesting. You can also add money. So you have mobile deposit of your checks. You can transfer money from your bank account or debit card, and you can also find cash reload locations. Really fantastic. Also, from a flexibility point of view, really, you can't find better than that. You also have AmEx offers. So you can add a variety of available AmEx offers to your account and earn additional rewards on things like dining, shopping, and more. So from a flexibility point of view, you have, you will be pleased also. That's really, really fantastic. I want to go a little bit deeper in terms of the evaluation here. So I want to talk to you about the pros and cons of American Express Serve card, and see whether or not this is actually the card that you need to actually order this year. So when you think about the pros with the American Express Serve card, it's free to apply for the card online. Nobody's going to check your credit check. No, nobody's going to check your credit. Nobody's going to check your check system's account, or your early warning services, or your telecheck. Okay, it is free to use direct deposit, so that's kind of cool because it gives you flexibility, and no monthly fee with $500 minimum direct deposit. It's free to withdraw cash from over 30,000 MoneyPass ATMs. You have an easy to use app, extensive free ATM network, 30,000, no inactivity fee. It's available in all 50 states, including Hawaii and Alaska. Sometimes when you have those financial services, they are more restricted to the 48 contiguous U.S. states, but here you have a service that actually is available on continental and non-continental states. And American Express Serve does not require a credit check. I want to insist on that, so you can really be free. You can be sure that you will be approved. You have free in-network ATM withdrawals. So those are some of the pros that you can expect with American Express. What about the cons here? Well, there is no interest earned on saved money. So the partition I was telling you earlier, that partition money is not earning anything. Okay, American Express is taking your cash but not paying you anything in return. There's no interest. And fees for cash reloads when out of network and when using non-MoneyPass ATMs. Foreign transaction fees make it really bad for travel, so 2.70%. You have a 10-day wait to avoid fees for mobile check capture. You have when you think about the AmEx, the Serve card, it's not as widely accepted as Visa or MasterCard internationally because this is an American Express card, an American Express product. You have more limited merchant acceptance, okay? Unlike some other prepaid cards, the connected savings called a reserve account does not earn interest, okay? This is really a bummer. I mean, this is something that AmEx has to work on, but hey, right now they don't have it that way. So also, AmEx charges you a monthly maintenance fee of up to $6.95, and you may have to pay a fee of up to $3.95 every time you load the card, unless you do it in certain conditions. So the bottom line here is that if you really are interested in having a prepaid debit card this year without actually going through the normal banking journey, I mean, this could be a great card for you. I mean, once you look at the details of the card, it becomes pretty obvious that the fees you pay when using the American Express Serve reloadable prepaid card will vary greatly depending on how you use it, right? It's all about how you use it. So one thing you want to do is you want to simply sign up for the card online, have a monthly direct deposit of $500 or more, and use the money to pay bills online. You can also withdraw cash without a fee by using only MoneyPass ATMs. So by avoiding really the costly features of the account, you can have a completely free Serve experience. It's all about being very strategic about how you use the card, okay? But one thing for sure, you can add cash to your Serve account at over 45,000 locations, including CVS Pharmacy, Dollar General, Family Dollar, Rite Aid, Walmart, and participating 7-Eleven locations for no fee at all, nothing. Now, a fee for loading varies by locations and can be used or even implemented up to $3.95 at other locations. And one thing for sure is that just remember that you don't need to if you are a teenager, you can't have this card, okay? This card is only available to U.S. residents who are at least 18 years old or 19 years old in some states. And you can actually have a lot of American Express Serve accounts. As a matter of fact, you are allowed to have up to 5 American Express Serve accounts at one time. This includes all the different types of Serve accounts, including the American Express Serve, American Express Serve Free Reloads, the American Express Serve Cashback, the American Express Serve with the Jackson Hewitt co-brand, and this is kind of cool. But you have to see what works for you, which one works for you, and which one doesn't work for you. Okay, but it's one of those things where just remember you will not earn any interest on the money you have in your Serve account, even if it's set aside in your reserve. But for a basic banking solution, this is a great option. You can set aside money to save, pay your bills, deposit your checks, and have access to your cash whenever you need it. A user-friendly app and website make keeping track of your finances fairly simple too. So that's really fantastic. So as a conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about the American Express Serve card. I give you the facts, the basics, the features, the fees, the on-the-go program, the evaluation, the bottom line, and now the conclusion. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.